Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to install these, well, in this box, so stay tuned. Such a beautiful day. Look at this blue sky.
I wish we had blue skies yesterday on Christmas, but it was like super Oregon gray.
And that view.
And that view.
Getting this 100% for you guys. That view. All right, so here we go. Opening this box up. Here's everything inside the box. So there are 4 little connectors, or tape, I guess, 2 shifters, and then some styrofoam. All right, so the install is pretty straightforward. Plus, minus. They just go on there like that and have this tape in the middle. First, I'm just going to use a wipe and wipe off the back side of the paddle for both of them, and then I'll get distracted and wipe off the rest of the steering wheel and everything. Wipe off my fingertips and also wipe off the new extension. I'm just going to wait for that to completely dry, which shouldn't be that long. So now that they have dried, gotta figure out which way this goes. Pretty sure like that. Take this first one off, put it right down in there, like so, and just barely put it in there. And then once it's in there, peel off the backing. You seriously think I'd be able to do something as easy as peeling off the backing on double-sided tape? Finally, now that that's taken off, just literally put it on there like so, and press it all on there. And there you go. 1 paddle down. 1 to go. Take off that one. Yeah. I'm a champion. I'll show you guys from a closer up view. Pretty much just lines right up in there. Like so. And you can't really mess it up. Like, it only goes in 1 spot. Okay, cool. That does just give it a little bit more of a sporty look coming from back here. And these aren't bright red like I thought they would be. They look more of like a burnt orange. But still, they look really good. They don't 100% match, you can see the color difference. But that's all right, because these are eventually, I'm going to turn them red, because Darylyn's favorite color is red. So yeah, pretty straightforward on the install, and now on the test drive. Yeah, here we go, first reaction. Hey babe.
Yeah.
Look at what I installed this morning.
Oh, paddle shifters! Whoa!
Aren't they sick?
Yeah, what do you do with them?
You shift.
You shift?
So we're taking some after Christmas returns. Darylyn's at Nike, the employee store. Can't see crap, but it's all the way over there. So while she's doing that, I'm just gonna give a little review of what I think of these paddle shifter extensions. First thing I'm gonna comment on is the color. Online, they looked red. And now that they are on, they look more of a burnt orange, but not quite the orange of the sport package. You can see the color difference right there. But that is first thing. I wish that they were red, which eventually I may get them powder coated red, but that's all right. Second thing is people were complaining about the back, and you can see that it's just completely flat. I don't necessarily mind that. The OEM ones are curved, so you're touching like a slope, the convex side of the paddle. These aftermarket ones are just flat. One thing I really like about these is the touch. I like that contrast between the soft pleather leather and the aluminum. Might just be me, but I like that. Most importantly though, I like the sporty style of these. This is the Sport. I wish it had bigger paddle shifters like this from the factory, but aftermarket is awesome with stuff like this.
Review of the paddle shifters. I really like them. I can't believe, okay, first of all, you guys, this was a complete surprise. I didn't know his plans for this trip in Oregon. I didn't know he was gonna install these. I didn't even know he got them. I didn't even know that he was planning on getting them for the Forester. I had no idea. And so it was a huge surprise. Like, that surprise you saw earlier in the video was genuine. And I'm really excited. It makes me feel like he trusts me with like downshifting, and maybe this will help me like get used to like stick shift, because I am not a good stick shift driver.
Stick shift?
Because it's shifting, and so
not even close.
But it's shifting.
Stick shift is over there.
But
you have a clutch.
But it's training me to hear it. It's training me to hear it. You guys know what I mean.
It's training Darylyn for when we get another GTR, and then you can use the paddle shifters.
We're getting another GTR? I want a Skyline instead. I want an R34. Anyway, so they're really cool. They're really clean, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but the color almost matches perfectly, like the orange detailing in the Subaru Forester Sport. Well, it kind of matches. Sean doesn't think it matches, but it's like, it's close, you know, because it's not like a bright red. It's like a, oh my gosh, whatever. And they're really like, you guys, like, my fingers are not gonna get sore doing this.
My fingers hurt.
Well, your back's about to hurt because you just got landscaping duty. Anyways, Merry Christmas to me. Thanks for being on all these adventures with us in Oregon. It's been so fun to see my family, and I don't know if Sean got a shot of all these beautiful trees, but basically everything in Oregon is like built into a forest, and so anyway, it's beautiful and I just love it. And thanks for coming along and being a part of our journey. Happy holidays. Me so cool.